Hey everyone, welcome to another Monday Marketing Minute. My name is Corey Ashton. Today's tip is going to be how to stop using PDF files, static PDF files on your WordPress website if you're consistently having to change and update, maybe weekly or monthly, that PDF file. It's very laborious for you to go into your Word doc or whatever file you're using to make this PDF file and make all the changes, save it as a PDF, download it, go to your WordPress website, upload it, grab the link, go to where it's linked throughout your website, change the links. That is way too complex. I have a cheater way of doing it, and it's all in the budget of free right now using Google Drive. I'm going to show you how it's done. I'm going to give you a quick example of what I've seen used as a PDF file that you're constantly having to update. On Landshark Fitness, they've got their classes and their group schedule. When you click on here, it opens up a PDF file that everybody who is a member of this club can download and save, print out, and put on the refrigerator, whatever they'd like to do. The problem is, while that might be convenient for the member, it is not convenient for the admin side of this. Having to update this darn thing consistently, then send it over, get it updated, it's too much. So I want to challenge you to use something like Google Sheets to do this. You can come into Google Sheets easily and quickly, make this same layout for your members or whoever needs to be seeing this. And then you're going to use this share option over here. You'll click share, and all you want to do is come up here and get a shareable link. We're going to click that little button, and this says anybody can view it. You don't want editing rights to go out there in the world. So that's correct. We're going to leave this setting. We're going to copy that onto your clipboard, right? Right mouse click, copy it onto your clipboard, and save that link right now. Here's what's going to happen. We're going to put that link on your website. Then anytime you ever need to update that PDF file, all you have to do as an admin is come back to this Google Sheet, make your changes. That's it. Seriously, there is no uploading, downloading, changing links. There's nothing. It's in real time this takes effect. That's what's cool about this, is you can easily and quickly make all the changes you need to make, and all of a sudden, they're able to see it in real time. You've never had to change anything on your website. So once you have that link copied, you just go into your WordPress dashboard and go to wherever you had that PDF linked. So for this particular example, they're inside of their menus up in that top navigation, and it's inside of their classic group schedule. So we would open up that little drawer, and this is where that PDF file lives. Do you see this right here? That little PDF file? We don't want it to link to a static PDF file anymore. We want it to go away and paste in that really cool Google link that they gave us, this Google Sheets link. That's it. Click Save menu. And now, whenever you go back to your website and click Refresh, you go over to Classes and click Class Schedule, you'll now land on this Google Sheet. Now, here's the thing. Don't get frustrated and say, well, people need to be able to print it out. They can still print it out. They can still download it as a PDF even if they want to save it as a PDF. So you can go to File, Download As, and easily save it as a PDF file. So your customers or your members are still going to have that really great experience, but your admin is going to fly now because there's no complexities of saving, downloading, uploading, relinking. It's too much. You can also do this with anything having to do with Google Docs. So if you need to have something that looks more like an actual worksheet or something like this, you can still have this same type of layout. You just need to use this share button up here, click share, and be certain that the settings are view only. Kind of cool, right? I hope this is a huge time saver for you and that it becomes a more efficient way of you updating all of your consistent files that have to have that weekly, daily, monthly, whatever it might be, update. I hope you're having a great one. Be sure to subscribe if you like content like this, because every week I'm creating videos on Mondays and Wednesdays for you to improve your online marketing inside the world of WordPress. Have a great one, y'all. Bye, everyone.